Complex fractions are easy. Let me remind you that fractions are division problems. The numerator is being divided by the denominator. Let's look at this first complex fraction. I'm working horizontally. The first fraction is 1/2 divided by 3/5. So I write 1/2 divided by 3/5. This equation becomes and is equivalent to 1/2. I don't change the first thing. There's no problem there. The problem doesn't come until I see the division sign. I must change the division sign, and I change that to a multiplication sign, and then I must do something to the last fraction. I can't just change this because I don't like it. I change this so I can do the operation, but I must flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, which is 5/3. So 1/2 times 5/3, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/2 divided by 3/5 equals 5/6. Let's look at the second example. I have 2/3 divided by the whole number 7. That is the same as 2/3 divided by 7/1. Now, why did I write 7/1? This is the whole number 7. But when I'm working with fractions, everything has to be a fraction. So I need to change this whole number 7 into a fraction. And you change whole numbers into fractions by putting them over 1. So I've written 7/1. Now I must rewrite this equation as a multiplication equation, and I do that by changing this operation from division to multiplication, and I flip the second fraction. I write the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 1/7. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 7 is 21. Let's look at the last example. 4 divided by 9/2. I have a whole number on top here and a fraction down here. I need to work with all fractions, so I'm going to rewrite this whole number as 4/1. This is the same as the whole number 4. Any number over 1 is itself. So 4/1 is the same as 4, and then it's divided by 9/2. Here's the 9/2. Now I must rewrite this equation to make it a multiplication equation. What I need to do is change this operation from division to multiplication, and then find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So the second fraction is 9/2, so the reciprocal is 2/9. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. It's that simple. So if you have two fractions, you take the first one and you write it, and then you write divided by the second one. If you have a fraction on top and a whole number on the bottom, you must rewrite this whole number as a fraction by putting it over 1, and do the same thing. Write this number first, divided by this one on the bottom. If you have a whole number on top and a fraction on the bottom, rewrite the whole number as a fraction by putting it over 1. Write that number first here, or that fraction first here, and then write division sign, and then write the fraction you see on the bottom. You must rewrite a division problem into a multiplication problem so you can do the computations. I hope this lesson was helpful. Your comments help me, so please leave one for me. Have a great day.